Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today we're going to go over how you would, on a Mazda 3, how you would hook up your cell phone to the car. So you're going to go into here. So there's no phone. So we're going to say connect the Bluetooth. And then you're going to say add a device. Now you got to go into your phone, and if you tap the Bluetooth icon off and then on, this thing will search, and see that's searching to try to discover. Oh, see, we picked up the Mazda. It's on the, so it's not focusing very well, but there's a Mazda device. Now we're going to pair it with it. So it's going to give us a code here, and that same code is in this phone. So you hit OK and then hit yes. It wants permission to my contacts. I'm just going to go ahead and say deny. But my phone is connected, so if I make a phone call or not, I'm going to be talking through the car's device. I didn't attach everything to it because sometimes if it's not your car, you may not want to have your phone and all of your information up on there, you know. So this is the phone. And then you can go in here and do your phone audio, phone only, audio only. So if you have music on your phone, you can have it play out. So we've got phone and auto. Then you disconnect it or unpair this device, right? If you want. And then you would just go back. Once you've got it in here, you've got your call history. And just say, well, you'd say contacts, but that's not going to come from this phone. But you want to dial a phone number, you can just type in your phone number, hit the call button, and you can make a call. But if you're done and you're leaving this car, giving it to somebody, you may want to go through, wrong button. Tap bottom on the settings. There's all the different things it can give you. So if you want to disconnect your phone, go into the settings, right? And then you're going to go over here, and it's going to say devices. Tap on devices, hit Bluetooth, custom settings, and then you would go down. Yep, that's the wrong one. Alright, this is my phone to disconnect it. I want to disconnect or unpair that device. Right? You say yes, and so that will take this device out of the saved memory, and then your contacts, your information doesn't stay on this if it's not your car, a rental car, or you're just borrowing the car. But that's how you do that, to add and remove your phone from a Mazda 3 through the touchscreen. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.